Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Energy Prof. I am Devashish Dewan. Today I will discuss on plant load factor and plant availability factor of thermal power plant. Plant load factor means PLF. The PLF is the ratio between the actual energy generated by the plant for a given time period to the maximum possible energy that can be generated with the plant for the same time period. And it can be expressed as PLF is equal to actual generation for a time period by installed capacity into same time period into 100%. Before going further, I have to clarify one thing, that is my one friend Make Learner has asked to clarify the megawatt and megawatt hour. Power is the rate at which energy is transferred or converted, and that is watt, kilowatt, megawatt, etc. And on the other side, electrical energy is watt hour, kilowatt hour, megawatt hour for a given time period. In our case, the actual energy generated in 24 hours is given as 4800 megawatt hour. This is energy. And the maximum possible energy that can be generated with the plant is the rated capacity, means nameplate capacity of the unit, and it is the installed capacity like 200 megawatt, 250 megawatt, 500 megawatt, etc. So the maximum generation in 24 hours is equal to 250 megawatt into 24 hour, means 6000 megawatt hour. So the PLF is equal to 4800 by 6000 into 100%, means 80%. This PLF in the plant is calculated in daily basis, monthly basis and yearly basis. Now I am to discuss about some different condition like PLF less than 100%, PLF is equal to 100% and PLF greater than 100% and its significance. A low PLF, say like 50%, 60%, 70% is bad for the power plant, as it indicates that the plant is not being used to its optimum capacity. This will increase the per unit cost of the power thus generated. A higher PLF like 80%, 90% on the other hand will generate a greater total output, which will reduce the cost per unit of energy generated. The higher the output, the lesser will be the cost per unit, and the total additional energy produced would also result in an increase in revenue of the plant. Now coming to PLF is equal to 100%. If the plant is running on its rated capacity, then PLF is equal to 100%. But one question may arise here, whether PLF may be more than 100%. Yes, it may be more than 100%, but not for long duration. If the load is maintained more than the rated capacity, then PLF may be more than 100%. But continuous generation for long time is not possible, because it may cause different technical problems and failure may be possible of the components. So for a small period, PLF may be more than 100%, not for long run. Now coming to the point, plant availability factor. Plant availability factor of a power plant is the amount of time that it is able to produce electricity over a certain period divided by the amount of the total time in that period. So simply the plant availability factor is equal to actual running hour or running time period of the unit by total time period into 100%. If you think that in a month, in the 30 days, total running hour of the unit is 540 hour. So the plant availability factor is equal to 540 by 24 into 30 days into 100% means 75%. This PAF means plant availability factor is calculated as daily basis, monthly basis and yearly basis. In actual plant calculation, our main motto is to calculate the total running period. In total time period, it may be divided into two parts, running period plus outage period. This outage period may be divided into two parts, forced outage and plant outage. So one question may arise, what is forced outage and what is plant outage? Forced outage is the shutdown of the unit for a time period due to some technical problem, and the plant outage is the outage of the unit as the planned way. This plant outage mainly to follow the statutory norms like steam license renew, overhauling, etc. Here many people ask one question, think that in your plant some vacuum problem may arise for a few days and you have to plan to take the unit for shutdown for a few days for maintenance purpose, whether it is planned outage or forced outage. The answer is it is forced outage. Though it is your planning, but it is taken shutdown for technical problem. So it is forced outage, not planned outage. So from this, we may say that plant availability factor is equal to 100 minus forced outage plus planned outage. If you consider a month of June 2020, its total hour is equal to 720 hours. Think that unit tripped due to tripping of boiler on 14 June 2020 at 1150 hours and synchronized at 1920 hours on the same day. Then the forced outage is equal to 7.5 hours, means 1.04%. On the other hand, in the same month, the unit was taken shutdown for steam license renew from 21st June 2020 at 00 hours to synchronized hour is 24 June 2020 at 8 hours. So its plant outage is 80 hours. That means 11.11%. So from the formula, we have said that plant availability factor is equal to 100 minus 1.04 plus 11.11 means 87.85%. That means the unit is running for 87.85%. So I think you understand well. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this, and please like and share the video. Thank you.